Imagine discovering a treasure so vast that it could make every king, empire, and billionaire in human history seem poor. Now imagine that treasure is buried beneath your feet, not in a hidden cave, not at the bottom of the ocean, but deep inside the earth itself. Scientists believe that more than 99% of Earth's gold is locked away in the planet's core, enough gold to cover the entire surface of Earth in a layer several centimeters thick. It sounds impossible, yet according to modern geology, it may be true. To understand why, we need to travel back more than 4 billion years. When Earth was young, it was a violent world of molten rock. The entire planet was so hot that heavy elements could move freely through its interior. As gravity worked its magic, the heaviest materials began sinking toward the center. Iron descended, nickel followed, and precious metals such as gold and platinum sank with them. Over millions of years, these heavy elements accumulated deep inside the core, far beyond humanity's reach. Eventually, Earth's surface cooled. The crust formed. Oceans appeared. Life emerged. But most of the planet's gold remained trapped thousands of kilometers below. The gold we mine today is only a tiny fraction of Earth's total supply. In fact, many scientists believe the gold found in Earth's crust arrived later through asteroid impacts that bombarded the young planet. These impacts delivered additional precious metals to the surface after the core had already formed, which means nearly every gold ring, coin, necklace, and treasure ever discovered may owe its existence to ancient collisions from space. But the real treasure remains below, locked inside a region no human will ever visit. The Earth's core begins nearly 3,000 kilometers beneath the surface. Temperatures there rival the surface of the sun. Pressures are so immense that ordinary materials behave in extraordinary ways. No drilling technology comes remotely close to reaching it. In fact, the deepest hole ever drilled by humans barely scratched the outer crust of the planet. Compared to the distance separating us from the core, it was almost nothing. Think about that. Human civilization has built skyscrapers, crossed oceans, and reached the moon. Yet the greatest treasure in Earth's history remains completely inaccessible, buried beneath layers of rock and metal, hidden since the birth of our planet. And gold is only part of the story. The core also contains vast amounts of platinum and other rare elements worth unimaginable sums. Together, they represent one of the largest untouchable fortunes in the universe. A fortune that humanity can detect, can study, can calculate, but can never claim. The next time you see a piece of gold, remember this. What you're looking at is not the main treasure. It is merely a tiny fragment of a much larger story. Because deep beneath your feet lies a hidden world of unimaginable wealth. A treasure older than civilization itself, and one that will likely remain beyond our reach forever.